In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ZRX future while talking about 0x cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly especially remember that you ought to basically think about this and any very other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything certainly is a difficult errand. For the most part, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like 0x in an extremely significant manner. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive kind of profound into the 0x value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ZRX really is a sort of wise speculation or not. For what reason will ZRX in every practical sense succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will 0x value rise or drop? We should rapidly sort of toss a look at what in every practical sense is ZRX and its to-date history. 0x value forecast. The entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of an exceptionally complete breakdown. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin basically has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, which is genuinely critical. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be genuinely more blood in the city of the crypto town, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Financial backers really are selling hazardous resources and moving into genuinely more, for the most part, stable business sectors. Crypto really is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and thus the offer-off, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters. Green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they explicitly thought. This in a real sense is reflected in our 2023 forecasts, which really is very huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the especially inverse heading and alter the course, or so they especially thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will essentially begin to explicitly do likewise. We most certainly have seen this situation many times in the far off and in every way that really matters, later history, which in every practical sense is very critical. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. We especially expect whales and other kind of greater players in the market to truly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, which in a real sense is very critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few certainly other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in a significant way. 2023-01-26 plus 4.93% $0 2447 2023 01-27 plus 7.10% $0 2497 2023 01-281.41% $0 2299 2023 01-29 plus 2.20% $0 2383 2023 01 303.41% $0 2252 2023 01-31 plus 3.78% $0 2420 2023 02 010.08% $0 2330 2023 02 02 plus 0.74% $0 2349 2023 02 03 plus 3.95% 24 cents 0x value expectation 2023, which all things considered is very huge. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, or so they basically thought. At the point when we sort of take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 especially isn't looking excessively commonly really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of all things considered, exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to for the most part slip essentially lower with each fundamentally minor market quake in an unobtrusive manner. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise, which is very huge. Underneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 12.37% $0 2043 2023 blemish 28.88% $0 1658 2023 APR 22.96% $0 1796 2023 May 18.61% $0 1898 $2023 Gen 13.00% $0. 2029 2023 Joel 4.41% $0. 2229 2023 AUG plus 11.06% $0. 2590 2023 SEP plus 20.21% $0. 2803 2023 OCT plus 23.91% $0. 2889 2023 NOF plus 32.34% $0. 3086 2023 DEC plus 35.01% $0. 3148 2024 Jan plus 45.50% 33 cents ZRX value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees ZRX coming to 55 cents in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. What will ZRX be worth in 5 years, or so they thought? The cost of ZRX in 5 years could for the most part lie around 51 cents. 0x value forecast 2030 to 2040 What 0x will for the most part be worth in 2030? Our Guojing model sees 0x coming to $1.38 in 2030. What 0x will generally be most certainly worth in 2040, which sort of is very huge. Our determining model sees 0x coming to $2.77 in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Will 0x by and large supplant, sort of outperform, basically overwhelm Bitcoin, or so they especially thought? No, 0x won't by and large supplant or fundamentally overwhelm BTC, which generally is genuinely critical. Could 0x in a real sense reach $10? Indeed, it essentially is conceivable that 0x can in every practical sense reach $10, however, just in a separated future, after 2030 in a genuinely large way. Can 0x really reach $100 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 0x to truly reach $100 in the by and large short or midterm period. Is 0x worth purchasing, which is very huge? We really are backers of decently unsafe money management. Truly contribute the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, 0x for the most part is really worth purchasing. Is 0x a by and large wise venture, which really is genuinely huge? 0x is, very much like all really other digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation in opposition to prevalent thinking. It really does in a real sense have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, sort of dynamic local area, and a by and large strong group behind it, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. How much will 0x truly be somewhat worth incredibly? For the genuinely momentary future, it could essentially reach 13 cents. In the genuinely long haul, it could leap to $1.38 or even a lot higher in a huge manner. For what reason will 0x succeed and get more expensive, or so they thought? 0x has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, truly dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it in an